Let's learn about fire and how to stay safe around it.
Fire, fire, burning bright. Let's learn about it with all our might.
Fire needs fuel to keep burning, and it can be very hot.
Fire is hot, fire is bright. It needs fuel to keep burning tight.
If your clothes catch fire, stop, drop, and roll to put out the flames.
Stop, drop, and roll. If your clothes catch fire, that's what you're told.
Fire can be very useful, but we need to use it safely.
Fire is useful in many ways. Cooking food and keeping us warm on cold days.
We can prevent fires by being careful and mindful of our actions.
Let's be careful and prevent fires too by being mindful of what we do.
If there's a fire, we need to stay calm and follow the emergency procedures.
If there's a fire, don't panic, stay calm. Call for help and get to a safe alarm.
Let's remember to follow fire safety rules to stay safe and sound.
Don't play with matches or lighters too. Fire safety rules are important to do.